For the last installment for the lesson in measurement, we will be having dimensional analysis. Okay, dimensional analysis or the factor label method is simply the procedure we use to convert between units and in solving some chemistry problems. Now, the skill for dimensional analysis is the one we really need as we go along the general chemistry one, okay? Especially in chemistry and also in physics, actually. Now, in solving dimensional analysis, you just simply follow this certain relationship. Now, this is very easy. You just simply write the given unit. Now, the given unit represents the unit presented to you from the word problem, and then multiplied by the conversion factor or CF. When we say conversion factor, example, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, now that is a conversion factor. Now, how do we write the conversion unit or the conversion factor? Always remember that the given unit from the conversion factor is always at the denominator, and then the desired unit, when we say desired unit, ito po yung sinosolve mo. Ito yung required. Bakit? Bakit kailangan ganito? Bakit kailangan yung desired unit ay nasa numerator, si given unit ay nasa denominator nitong conversion factor? Dahil, para makancel mo ito. That is math. At the end, ang matitira na lang ay itong desired unit, which is yung kinakailangan mo sa pag-convert. Sige, example. Say, for example, the problem wants me to convert 2 minutes into hours. Okay? Ang conversion factor ay sa isang oras, meron kang 60 minutes. So, ang given ko, okay, given unit, 2 minutes. And then conversion factor, itong 1 hour over 60. Ang desired ko ay hours. So, dapat, ang nasa numerator o taas ay 1 hour. Saan galing yung 1 hour? Ito po, itong conversion factor. And then denominator, given. Sa conversion factor, alin dyan ang given? Itong minutes. So, ilalagay ko, 60 minutes. So, at this point, makakancel na si minutes na unit, ang matitira ay hour. Which is yung hinihingi nitong tanong sa akin. And then, input sa calculator, you will get your answer as well as following the significant figure. Okay? So, that is how we apply dimensional analysis. Let me show you some series of examples. Okay? So, before that, sorry about that, let me just show you some of the common international system or SI unit of measurement converted to English unit equivalent quantities and vice versa. Okay? So, example. Let's start with convert 500.0 milligrams to pounds. Now, this is the conversion factors. 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligram, and then 1 pound is equal to 453.6 gram. Okay? Now, again, to make things easier, so let me just show you how we do it. So, susulat, 500.0 milligram. So, first conversion factor. Now, it looks like from the given conversion factor, I do not have a direct conversion. Meaning kasi wala pong binigay na given na diretso milligram to pounds na. Kumbaga, parang yung kanina dito, yung diretso are 2 minutes. Walang binigay na ganong given. So, we make do of what is given to us. So, with the conversion factor, it looks like we will be doing 2 conversion factor. So, dalawa ang gagamitin. So, unahin muna natin itong milligram. So, si milligram, kailangan mo nang mawala. So, I will be using the first one. 1 gram is equal to 1,000. So, I will be putting 1,000 milligram at the denominator y para makancel. And then, si 1 gram ang nasa taas. So, itong conversion factor na yan, ito po yung 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligram. Ginawang ganitong format ko lang. Next, Titigil na ba ako dito kay gram na unit? Hindi pa. Kasi ang hinihingi ay unit na pounds. So, hindi ka pa titigil dyan kay gram. So, ngayon, titingin ka sa conversion factor, alin dyan ang magko-convert ng gram to pounds? Ito po. Ay ang 1 pound is equal to 453.6 gram. So, lalagay ko sa denominator si 453.6 gram and then 1 pound sa numerator. Bakit? Bakit ganito yung arrangement? Again, para makancel to. At para ang matira ay itong hinihingi na unit ng tanong, which is pounds. And then input sa calculator. So I have the same solution with the PowerPoint. I have 1.102 times 10 raised to negative 3 pounds. And then again, my final answer followed correct significant figure, so least SF. So again, following the rule, since isa lang naman ang given ko, 500.0 milligrams, yan ang basehan ko. And then 500.0 has 4 significant figure. That is why my final answer has 1, 2, 3, 4. How about the conversion factors? Are the conversion factors considered candidates for least significant figure? In this case, no. Because conversion factors are considered as exact number or constant. Remember from our previous topic, when we say exact numbers or constants, they will not be part or they will not be candidates for least significant figure. So that leaves 500.0 as the sole candidate for my least sig fig. Okay? Okay. Another example. So convert 146 gram per milliliter to kilogram per cubic meter. So we have 3 conversion factors. Again, there is no direct conversion factor, or the problem doesn't provide me a direct gram per milliliter to kilogram per cubic meter conversion factor. So we make do of the given quantities. So it looks difficult, but let me show you how this is done. Again, 146 gram per milliliter. So I will be using the first conversion factor. So to make things easier, choose between gram or milliliter, the first unit that you want to convert. So in this case, I want to convert gram first. Okay? So from the conversion factors, which pair shows you the unit gram? This one. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 gram. So I will be using that first conversion factor. Bakit yan ang una mong ginamit? Dahil gusto ko unahin tong gram i-convert, hahanap ako sa mga binigay na conversion factor ang merong unit na gram. Sa tatlong pares na yun, ito lang naman ang meron. So yun ang gamitin ko. Okay? So I'll be putting 1,000 gram here at the denominator and then 1 kilogram at the numerator. Why? Again, to cancel this one. Tandaan again yung format natin dito. Given unit, given unit. Si given unit dapat nasa denominator. Again, para nga makancel. Mathematics lang yan. Okay? So at this point, I have kilogram. Okay? So at this point, okay, I already have the desired unit. Okay? According to the problem, we need kilogram per cubic meter. Ngayon, naka-kilogram na. Okay, pwede na yan. Tigil na ako sa gram. Titigilan ko na yung pagko-convert ng kilogram. Tama na yan, hanggang dyan na lang ako. Okay? Kaso, ang unit ko ngayon ay kilogram per ml. Ang kailangan ko, kilogram per cubic meter, hindi kilogram per ml. So, ang next kong i-convert ay itong ml na, o milliliter. Okay? Next, para mapadali, humanap ulit ng conversion factor na may milliliter. So, sa tatlong pares, itong pangalawa na pares ang merong ml. So, yan ang gagamitin ko. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliter. So, ito, i-convert mo. So, dahil nasa denominator siya, exchange lang. Dahil nasa denominator yung ml mo, ilalagay mo ngayon sa taas itong 1,000 milliliter, sa denominator itong 1 liter. Bakit naging ganyan? Explain ko. Dahil nasa denominator si ML na kailangan mong i-cancel, kailangan lang sila laging magkaiba ng pwesto. Tulad nitong gram. Dahil nasa taas itong gram, dapat nasa baba yung isa pang gram para ma-cancel. Para ma-divide, di ba? Ganun yung concept yun sa math. Now, since yung milliliter mo yung nasa denominator naman, iangat mo naman yan. Conversion factor na may ml. Para ma-cancel na siya. At ang matitira mo na lang ay liter. Excuse me. Now, at this point, meron ka na ngayong unit na kilogram per liter. Titigil ka na ba dyan? Hindi pa. Kasi nga ang kailangan mo, kilogram per cubic meter. Hindi kilogram per liter. So, tuloy. Tuloy ang laban. So, another conversion factor. So, dahil nagamit mo ni dalawa, alin kaya dito sa tatlong pares ang may liter? Itong ikatlo. Okay? So, 1 cubic meter is equal to 1,000 liter. So, dahil nasa denominator tong liter, dapat sa numerator naman tong 1,000 liter para ma-cancel. And then 1 cubic meter. At this point, yay, masaya na. Meron ka na ngayong kilogram per cubic meter. Na-attain mo na ngayon yung gusto mong unit. Ganun lang po kadali. Okay? And then input sa calculator, cancel, cancel, cancel. Yan din yung natira. Kilogram per cubic meter. The answer is 146,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Again, the following conversion factors are constants or exact numbers, so they will not be part, or they will not be candidates for your least significant figure. Only 146. Now 146 is 3 significant figure, so 146,000 is only 3 significant figure, so indeed this is the final answer. Okay? Okay. All right. That's it. I hope you learn again a thing or two from this topic in measurements, all about precision and accuracy, the system of measurements, significant figures and digits, and then computations involving SF, and also dimensional analysis. Okay? Again, thank you for tuning in and watching this lecture video, and I hope you learn a thing or two. Thank you and have a great day.